Good morning, students. We are doing chapter number 4, that is chemical kinetics, and we had completed integrated rate law, half-life, and so many relations between the time for 90% completion, 99% completion with half-life and all. I hope you are all well and studying well. Now today's topic is pseudo first order reaction. Important topic for 2 marks they may ask. Pseudo first order reaction. Pseudo का मतलब होता है imaginary first order reaction. It looks like second order, but actually it is first order reaction. Such reactions are called pseudo first order reaction. What are pseudo first order reaction? We will study with the help of one example. Suppose we have hydrolysis of ester, that is CH3 COO C2H5 ethyl acetate. When hydrolyzed in presence of acid, we get CH3 COOH plus ethanol. Hydrolysis of ester. This is ethyl acetate hydrolyzed with water. We get acetic acid and ethanol. Suppose initial concentration of ethyl acetate is 0.01 molar and that of water it is suppose 10 molar. Then these will be 0 initially, only reactants are present. Suppose we took moles, 0.01 moles and 10 moles of water we had taken for the reaction. Initially acetic acid and ethanol will be 0. After some time, suppose after T time, this will be completely react, a limiting reagent hai, so this will become 0. What is left concentration? 10 minus 0.01, so it will be 9.9 moles. And these are formed 0.01 mole and 0.01 mole. For this reaction, if you write differential rate law for this chemical reaction, the rate is equal to K, concentration of ester, CH3 COO C2H5 power 1 and concentration of H2 power 1. Matlab it seems to be second order reaction. What is the order of this reaction? Second order. But if we see the concentration of water, if you see the moles of water, initially moles of water taken as 10 and at the end of the reaction it is 9.99. Starting માં 10 મોલ લીધા અને છેલ્લે જ્યારે reaction પૂરી થઈ ત્યારે 9.99 બાકી છે. If we see the difference, it's just 0.01. Negligible change in the concentration of water, yeah, moles of water. So concentration of water does not change significantly. There is no significant change in the concentration of water. So we can take water concentration as constant. H2O concentration constant. If we take this water as constant, differential rate law becomes rate equals K, concentration of water into concentration of CH3 COO C2H5. Suppose we write for this constant as K1. What is K1? Here K1 is constant K and concentration of water H2O. Now this order of this reaction is 1. So such reactions are called pseudo first order reaction. What are pseudo first order reaction? If there are two reactants, concentration of one reactant is very large compared to other. 0.01 ની comparison માં 10 mole ખૂબ જ high છે. After the completion of reaction, the reactant which is having high concentration, its concentration not changes significantly. Very less change in concentration of water, whose concentration is very, very high. So we have to take water concentration as constant. शुरू में 10 मोल था, reaction के बाद 9.9 मोल है, 9.99 काई बहुत जाजू फेर पड़ू નથી એમાંથી. So we can take water concentration as constant. If we take water concentration constant, then this constant and K constant gives us a new constant, let it be K1. Now the rate of the reaction will depend only on the concentration of ester. Such type of reactions are called pseudo first order reaction. Initially they looks like second order, but after taking concentration of water constant, this reaction become first order. Such reactions are known as pseudo first order reaction. Second example of this pseudo first order reaction is inversion of cane sugar. Inversion of cane sugar. Why it is called inversion? That will study in biomolecule chapter. Second example is inversion of cane sugar. Cane sugar is nothing but sucrose. C12H22O11. This is cane sugar, sucrose. When it is hydrolyzed in acidic medium or in presence of catalyst, it gives glucose and fructose, C6H12O6, C6H12O6. This is glucose and this is fructose. This type of reaction is pseudo first order reaction. Rate only dependent on the concentration of sucrose, because water